Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring using HDMI cable. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. This is a HDMI cable from TV. I have connected this HDMI cable to HDMI port 2 of the TV. We need this type adapter. This is USB type C to HDMI 2.1 adapter. This USB type C pin we can connect to iPhone. Here in this HDMI 2.1 port, we can connect HDMI cable from TV. Let me connect this HDMI cable from TV to this HDMI port of this adapter. Done. Next I am going to connect this USB type C pin of the adapter to iPhone. So we can connect like this. Done. After that, please wait. See, screen mirroring is working. So let me focus TV screen. Please ensure that you have selected correct HDMI port in TV if you are not seeing iPhone screen in your TV. Using TV remote, you can select proper HDMI port in TV. See, now screen mirroring is working. Next I will show you how we can switch display to full screen. Let me open Safari web browser in iPhone. Then let me switch iPhone screen to landscape mode. See, so this way we can switch display to full screen. See, you can try this. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Just to remove this cable, so that way we can stop screen mirroring. Okay, done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.